Okay, that's the video. I want to show you the vertical skirt on the transmit antenna, how much it generates noise on the receive antenna. Here is the Waller flag with 43 dB gain. Connect to the radio is using 300 Hertz. Here is 300. Let's move to 600. Okay, now I have 600 Hertz here, right? No noise blanker. And I'm going to turn on the preamp. So I have the preamp on, 10 dB. I'm going to preamp 2. No preamp. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to go outside and remove the capacitor that is tuning the antenna that reduces the noise. So bear with me, I need to go outside. You can see the tower that is broken, laying here on the backyard. And that's the small tower I'm using for 160. The Waller flag is there. And here's the matching box. Here is the tuning capacitor. This part of the tune is not working, it's not connected. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and I'm going to disconnect. Okay, so the wire is disconnected here. You can see the wire disconnected. So I'm going to get back inside and see what happened with the noise. Now I don't have the skirt to tune it. And the transmit antenna generates noise into the Waller flag. And you're going to see how much noise I'm talking about. So I'm going inside. So here we are. So if you remember, we had 0. Now we had S7. The preamp is on. If you put a preamp, I go to S9 with the preamp. Preamp 2, I go way plus. And no preamp, I got S7. So I'm going to let here and preamp 1, and it's asked to see this like 5/9. So I'm going to get back outside and reconnect that. Let's see if I crack the screw. Yeah. I'm going to reconnect the tuning capacitor, and all the noise that's going to disappear are vertical polarized noise that goes into the Waller flag by the transmit tower. In this case, I'm transmitting and receiving on the same tower. So that's very important. So I come here and I need to get that bolt back here. I need to get that's what I'm doing. So now I have that vacuum capacitor to the ground connected to the skirt. Let's go back inside and see what happened with the noise. Right now that capacitor is 433 puff. On the big tower at 120 feet I have no capacitor, just the skirt is right there. Now this tower has 60 feet and I need 432 puff to the ground. So it depends on how high is the tower. To detune you need to detune the skirt. It works like a transmission line. So we're back here on the radio. Is the noise. Remember, it was S9, now is S5 with the preamp. If I remove the preamp, remember the other preamp was S9 plus 5, now it's the S7. In no preamp, is parking here in 0. You have some common mode noise, you see those spikes, some tuning. I'm going to put the noise blanker, it's going to be dry